The XY display can be used to plot two channels of data against each other. Here, for example, we have some force displacement data. So we're putting force on one axis, displacement on the other, and we can see them against each other. To see exactly what's going on here, we can look at the individual channels. Here's the force versus time. Here's the displacement. You can see that there's a 90-degree phase lag. So when we plot the displacement against the force in the XY display, we see a circle. Let's take a look at another set of data. Here we have some shaft centerline data, displacement data from two proximity probes. One of the probes is in the Z direction, the other is in the Y direction. If we plot these two against each other, we can see the shaft centerline position. And here on the time axis, if I hold down Control and scroll, I can see the shaft centerline evolve over time, and I can use the Shift to go through time and see how the shaft moves about the center here. Let's look at another piece of data. Here we have a combustion set of data where we have pressure and cylinder volume. And if we plot the cylinder volume here and the pressure over here, we get a PV diagram. Thanks for listening.